1.03 Portfolio Setup Weebly Site 60 points. Portfolio Setup Weebly Site. In this assignment, you'll create a portfolio to demonstrate that you can use your new login to create with an online tool. You know how artists carry around a portfolio? Maybe you haven't seen one before, but they are key to an artist's professional success. You'll be creating so many works of art in this class. The first thing to do is to create 2 digital binders, or portfolios, to keep them in. They will both be attractive and professionally designed. Your Weebly portfolio you will build now, but it won't get filled up with your work until Digital and Interactive Media 2, LensArt, next semester. You'll also build a Google site, and that's what we'll use for this DIM Media 1 DigiDesigns semester. Project instructions. Weebly has some good help pages at the top right once you log in. We can't give you a direct link because of the problem described below. Publishing the URL. It's easy to get kerfuddled when trying to get a URL for the Weebly. When you're designing your website, Weebly's PHP architecture knows who you are because of the cookies it gave your browser when you logged in. That's a mouthful. You don't need to know about active database website architecture for this class. Just know that it uses cookies to tell your browser where to go, even though the URL doesn't change. Try this. Once you've got a few pages added to your Weebly site, click from one page to the next and notice the address bar. The URL never changes. So if you copy that http://www.weebly.com/weebly/main.php URL, nobody, including me, will be able to go and see your site. Instead, choose the orange Publish button and then click on your site's name to go see the published version and get your site's real address. Learning resources, Weebly. And again, Weebly has some good help pages at the top right once you log in. Project Checklist Rubric. Create a Weebly site that will serve as your DI Media 2 portfolio. Select a theme. Create Choosing a Camera and Exposure Triangle pages that serve as placeholders for future work. Link from your Weebly site to our classroom website and some other favorite links. Add a blog page and introduce yourself in the first post. Experiment with all the settings available. Sloppy or careless work will be returned with 0 out of 60 for you to resubmit when it's ready. I am looking for careful, thoughtful work, even on a site that you won't be using until DI Media 2. Turn in instructions. Paste the URL, the web address, of your Weebly site into the assignment 1.03 window below where it says Add Submission. Be careful. Many students get tricked into telling me that their Weebly site can be found at www.weebly.com. But that's not true. Make sure to format it with the hyperlink tool to make it clickable.